Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? That twinkling canopy is more than a backdrop. It's a theater of the bizarre and a museum of time. Today, we're voyaging not in a spaceship, but in our imagination, to places where reality is stranger than fiction. Buckle up your curiosity. Let's peel back the curtain of the night and discover the universe's most astonishing truths. Let's try a thought experiment. Picture yourself holding a sugar cube right in the palm of your hand. Now instead of sugar, imagine that same sugar cube-sized piece is actually a chunk of a neutron star, a celestial body so dense it defies our everyday understanding. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that have reached the end of their life cycle, often born in spectacular supernova explosions. That seemingly tiny cube, held between your fingers, would weigh approximately 1 billion tons. An incomprehensible amount of mass packed into such a small volume. That's more weight than the entire human population, all 7 billion of us, squeezed into the space you're holding in your hand. A truly staggering comparison. Now imagine the consequences if you were to drop this cosmic sugar cube onto the surface of Earth. Due to its immense density and weight, it would slice through the planet's crust, mantle, and core, like a hot knife effortlessly cutting through butter. The sheer density of a neutron star is almost beyond human comprehension, challenging our understanding of physics. Within these stellar remnants, the extreme conditions twist the very rules of matter, forcing it into states that are utterly alien and unlike anything we encounter on Earth. The extremes found in our vast universe are not just strange and unusual occurrences, they're fundamentally mind-boggling, pushing the boundaries of what we can imagine and comprehend about the cosmos. Close your eyes and listen. On Earth, sound is everywhere, vibrations traveling through air. But in space, there's no air, no medium for sound. Even a supernova exploding nearby would be utterly silent. Out there, silence reigns. Light, not sound, carries the stories of cosmic events. Science fiction gets it wrong, space is eerily quiet. Imagine galaxies colliding in total silence. In the universe, silence is the rule, not the exception. Earth's day and year are familiar rhythms, but on Venus, things get weird. Venus spins so slowly that one day there lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year, which is just 225 Earth days. You'd celebrate New Year's before the sun even sets once. On Venus, the concepts of day and year are flipped upside down. It's a world where time itself feels alien. The universe loves to challenge our assumptions. Look up on a clear night far from city lights and you'll witness something truly awe-inspiring. The Milky Way dazzles, a river of light stretching across the inky canvas of space. It's a galaxy teeming with celestial bodies with up to 400 billion stars, each one a sun, potentially with its own planets and stories to tell. A number so vast, it's hard to truly grasp. Our minds struggle to comprehend such immense scales, it feels almost infinite. But consider this, Earth, our home, has an estimated 3 trillion trees, a number that rivals even the stars. That's roughly 7 or 8 trees for every single star in our galaxy. A staggering comparison that puts things into perspective. Our planet's biosphere, this intricate web of life, is a miracle of scale, a testament to the power of nature's abundance. While we often look to the stars for grandeur and inspiration, seeking out the distant and the unknown, we're constantly surrounded by living wonders, right here on Earth. A vibrant tapestry of life unfolds around us every day. So next time you walk through a forest, breathe in the fresh air, and feel the earth beneath your feet, remember, you're among a population that, in its sheer numbers, outnumbers the stars themselves, a silent green army reaching for the sky. Sometimes the most astonishing numbers, the most profound wonders, are not light years away, but right here at home, waiting to be appreciated. On Earth, nothing lasts, footprints vanish, cities crumble. But on the moon, Neil Armstrong's footprints remain perfectly preserved for millions of years. With no wind, rain, or geological activity, the lunar surface is a cosmic time capsule. Only micrometeorites and solar wind slowly erode these marks. Barring a direct hit, those footprints are silent monuments to human achievement. On the moon, a moment can last an eternity. Back to the neutron star, imagine scooping up a single teaspoon of its material. That spoonful would weigh 6 billion tons, the same as 1,000 Great Pyramids. It's a weight so colossal, it's meaningless in daily life. The universe operates on scales that dwarf our imagination. Neutron stars remind us reality is wildly, beautifully extreme. The cosmos is not just different, it's fundamentally alien. On Earth, metals need heat to fuse. In space, it's different. Press two clean metal blocks together in a vacuum, and they instantly bond. No welding required. This is cold welding. Without air, there's no oxide layer, so atoms join as if they're one. Even emptiness changes the rules of matter. Space isn't just empty, it's a place where the impossible becomes possible. The universe's strangeness is everywhere, even in the simplest things. We've explored silent voids, the seemingly endless expanses between galaxies where light struggles to reach. These areas, often perceived as empty, hold secrets to the universe's structure. We've seen days longer than years, a bizarre reality on planets like Venus, where the slow rotation defies our earthly expectations. It challenges our understanding of time itself, and we contemplate the weight of mountains compressed into a single spoon, a mind-boggling density found in neutron stars and other collapsed stellar remnants. These facts aren't just trivia, they're not mere cocktail party conversation starters. They're clues, vital pieces of a cosmic puzzle, leading us to the universe's true nature and its underlying principles. They remind us to stay curious, to never stop questioning, and to remain humble in the face of such immensity. The iron in our blood, the very essence of our being, was forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across the cosmos in supernova explosions. Keep looking up, towards the celestial tapestry above. Keep asking questions, never let your sense of wonder fade. The universe is vast, an ocean of galaxies and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And our journey of discovery, this incredible quest for knowledge, has only just begun. The greatest adventure of all is understanding our place, our fleeting existence, in the grand cosmic scheme.